If you didn't know already, I live in London by myself at the age of 17, and I've been living by myself since I was 16, and that's quite hard because obviously I'm quite young and it's nice to have your family around you, but it's also amazing to follow your dreams, and that's exactly what I did, and that's the reason why I moved out of my family home to follow my dreams. But I FaceTime my family every single evening and talk to them, which is really nice. And every Friday night I pack my bags and my dad collects me, and it's the same every Friday afternoon. And we always listen to Capital because I love Capital FM. It's my favourite radio station. And we just kind of hum along and sing along while we go home. And I get to catch up with my dad, which is really nice because he has a really exciting job. And I get to learn all about that on the way home. And when I get home, I always say hi to my dog, and she's always so excited to see me, which is so nice. And my mum normally makes me some really delicious vegan food, and she's so talented at cooking. She's just so amazing, and I'm so thankful that she's good at cooking because she's taught me her ways, and now I think I'm pretty good at cooking myself. And then in the morning, I see my dog. I've wanted a dog all my life, and now I've got one. I don't really see her very often, which is quite sad, but like, look at that face. She's so cute. She's a Cocker Spaniel and she's called Bella. And yeah, the weekend's the time I get to spend with her. Also, on the weekend, I love experimenting with different foods, especially like breakfast foods. And here I made like this grapefruit and mango like smoothie bowl sort of thing, and it was so delicious. And on Saturday I go to work, so I work at a really fancy pub, like it's a French restaurant / pub, and I'm a runner. And before I go to my work, I normally catch up with my brother, and he does like kind of game development, and he's really smart. And the way I go to work is by bike, so I cycle there and back, and I have 2 shifts, and it's the total of 8 hours, and I really enjoy it actually. And Saturday and Sunday I walk my dog, and oh my goodness, I literally just can't get over these clips of her because she's so cute. And yeah, it's normally rainy, like even though it's spring right now, it is really rainy, but it's still quite fun. And then Sunday evening I go to church and I pack for the week ahead and say goodbye to my family, and off we go again for another week.